Guys, welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? My people, Regina Daniel and Mama, they won't show Laila say na them get Ned Nwoko's house. Even though Laila came before Regina Daniel, that they want to show her say she in a Morocco woman where she be. But Regina and then Regina mother, that they are from Anioma, that Laila cannot come all the way from Morocco to come and show them sense. Guys, you know when Regina Daniel left the house, there was a time we heard that Laila tried to help her to arrange for her children. You know, say Regina Daniel wanted to see her children and Ned Nwoko deny her access to her children. Then Regina went to court saying that Ned Nwoko did not allow her to see her children. And Ned started accusing her, saying that she's a drunkard, she take all kind of drugs and all of that she cannot take care of those children. And when Laila and Ned Nwoko started having issue, you know that Laila used to be the paddy when Regina Daniel was absent. And you know, say that kind of thing dey sweet am now. Because if na you, e go sweet you too. Say the person will come take over your love from you. See, let me tell you, polygamy no be anybody's mate. As long as na woman you be, and God don create you to be a woman, you must be jealous of even when somebody eye your husband sef, you go be jealous. Talk more of when you and another woman is sharing your husband. Some people will come and tell us that there is peace. Then when Regina Daniel have not left, Laila used to pretend as if there is peace. Even Regina herself used to pretend that as if they are living peaceful. But I know that they are not living anything peaceful at all. Okay, that time that Regina Daniel left, that Ned denied her access to her children. Ned, you heard that Laila came and witnessed against Ned because Ned accused Regina of cheating on him. And Laila said that there is no how Regina would cheat on Paned, because what Paned did to them was so strong that nobody can ever try cheating on him. That even when she too, you know, say there is a time Laila tried to leave the house, abi she left the house. That time she tried to leave, that she tried to undo what Ned Nwoko did to her, so that she will feel free when she leave the house, when she should leave Ned Nwoko. But she tried everything possible, but she couldn't spoil that thing. That what Ned Nwoko did to them is not a small picking thing. The thing too strong. So trying to protect Regina then, that Regina Daniel did not do anything silly against Ned because of what Ned was accusing her of doing. Do you know why she did that? She wasn't doing that thing just to protect her co-wife. She was just doing that just to side with Regina Daniel, because by then she has started having issues with Ned Nwoko. After so many things, because when Regina was around, Ned doesn't know that Laila exists. Or less sometimes, maybe once in a blue moon, he will just go out with Regina or with Laila. But when Regina left, that was when Ned remembered that Laila they exist. So after some days or sometimes, Regina was expecting that Ned should come and beg her to come back, but Ned did not do that. So why Laila came and witnessed against Ned was that she has started having issues with Ned. But since Regina Daniel came back, hey, it has been from one problem to the other. Another thing is this: why, according to what I heard, why Laila is fighting Regina this time is because she said that Regina did not tell her that she's coming back. Number one, that when Regina was outside the home, that she had been fighting for Regina. She came and witnessed against Ned just because of Regina. That it doesn't stop her from witnessing, saying that since Regina left the house, Regina would have done something like that. But she came and witnessed that she did not do that. So why did she come back home? Why did she plan to come back home? She did not tell her that she's coming. And according to what I heard, that when Regina came back, Laila did not come out to maybe welcome her and tell her, oh, my co-wife, you are back, welcome back, hey, thank God you are back, this and that. But before, they used to pretend as if there is peace. It was now that Regina came back that we started hearing that Laila had been fighting her since. It's not even today that the thing started. That monitoring spirit, monitoring spirit that she used to send to Regina, to monitor Regina, because she accused Regina that her mother have done something wuchi, that's something juju for Regina to be holding their husband. That since Regina came back, Ned Nwoko have not at least behave as if Laila was still at the house, or Laila is still living with them there. That it had been all about Regina. Regina here, Regina that, Regina tomorrow, Regina in the morning, afternoon, Regina, night in the Regina. And again, Ned can write that love and the long poem when he wrote for Regina. So Laila is looking for whom to bite though. As Regina too, she don't come back with polygamous mindset. The other time, before Regina left, Regina had been showing Laila that, this is marriage between me and you and Ned Nwoko. There is no problem, this and that. You can do what you want to do. But this time around, they said that even though Laila did not even do as if Regina was around, that Regina too did not even go to greet her. Regina did not even notice that anybody like Laila is existing in that house. And Ned Nwoko had been all around Regina. Even that oath, they say that he wanted to force her take then. There was a time Regina came back to see her children, and Ned Nwoko wanted to force her to take an oath. He brought out one pot, according to what I heard allegedly, asking her to take an oath that if anything like that have ever happened, this and that. Regina said no. He went and brought water, asking Regina to take her bath with this water. Regina said she can never do that, that this time around is no longer a time she will feel as if she's illiterate, that she knows everything about you, that she cannot do such a thing. So even those take oath and no oath, Ned did not even talk about again. As long as he don't hear say Regina they pregnant. And Laila too had been expecting Ned to ask Regina to take the same oath again. Ned did not talk about that. Everything you hear about Ned Nwoko speak about is Regina, 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 sing Regina, dance Regina. Laila no dey even enter his eyes or mouth again. And they said that night that Regina came back, if you see the kind of joy wey Ned Nwoko was having, that he have missed his charming and beautiful and young and intelligent wife. So that night was so awesome with the two of them, that Laila was jealous, like hey. And according to what they hear say, Laila dey fight dirty with Regina Daniel this time around. And Laila no even wan give Regina any slightest opportunity to do anyhow. She go just give it to her gbas. But trust Regina now. Regina, if you want to give it to her back to back, that one na come case. So I think Laila should respect herself and be on her lane, because Regina decided to be on her lane. You no welcome your co-wife that left the house for so long, and you expect her to come and is it her that is supposed to tell you welcome while you are in the house and she came back? Anyway, guys, this is what I heard and I feel like let me share with you. Say gbas they happen in Ned Nwoko's house right now, as Regina come back with polygamous mindset. Laila dey try to fight, Regina dey on her lane, but you know say if you find her come, she go give it to you back to back. Be warned, Laila, be warned though. Thank you so much for always watching, and I pray that you give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget, share this video and tell me what to think about it in the comment section. Bye.